This Easter, as a special thanks to all my subscribers, I'm giving away this printable Easter bunny and basket papercraft template exclusively on our YouTube channel so that everyone can join in on the fun. The link to this free printable template is in the description below if you want to craft along with me, and FYI, we also have 2 more designs available on our Etsy shop which follow the exact same steps and are also linked in the description. So, if you haven't already, click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to make sure you never miss out on any of our free printables in the future. To get started, print out the template on 65-pound cardstock. The first 2 pages are the bunny pieces, and the last 2 pages, which contain the basket, should be printed double-sided. Now, to make your bunny's cotton bottom, cut out the base, then fold up his little feet and cotton tail as shown. Very cute. To make your bunny's body, however, first fold the template along all the lines shown. One trick I find helpful is to make tiny cuts along the edges I intend to fold on, as this makes it much easier to get sharp, clean folds. Next, fold the template along the guides and turn the hind legs over like so. Then, simply bend the paper into a semicircle to form the body. Once you have a feel for how it works, apply glue to the pink shaded areas and paste them to the base of your bunny, and it should look something like this. You know, underwhelming. We'll of course have to resolve this by removing these 3 cutiful pieces from the second page of the template. First, take this piece and fold it along all the lines shown to create a tiny paper accordion. Next, apply glue to one of the shaded areas and paste it to the back of your bunny's face. Now, if you have a degree in quantum mechanics, you'll likely have noticed a pink rectangle on your bunny's body, which you can use as a guide to glue this to that. If you're a meanie, you can stop right here. But if you love your bunny, then do right by him and give him his carrot. However, if you picked up our other 2 designs, then you can give Fun Bunny her Easter eggs, or Bad Bunny his candy. Of the 3, I personally like Bad Bunny best because he reminds me of that naughty kid in elementary school who drives his teacher crazy because he knows better. Now, to make your Easter basket, print out the last 2 pages of the template double-sided and cut out the basket base and body. Once done, take a ballpoint pen and press deep into the paper using the dark brown area encircling the top as a guide to score the template along the lines shown. This will help us create the rim of our basket, which can be done by folding over the paper along the scored lines shown. But don't worry about trying to get it perfect. This is a holiday craft, not a competition, so just remember to have fun and make some memories. With the rim finished, you can now fold the brown tab along the side, apply some glue, and affix it to the inside of your basket. Just be careful to line up the edges. Once it's dry, you can continue to bend and mold the paper to get an evenly rounded shape. Next, cut out the bottom of your basket and fold the tiny triangles along the edges. This will create the tabs, which we will later glue to the inside of your basket. Now, apply glue to all of your triangular tabs and insert the base into the center of your basket. I recommend using a flat surface first to attach the tabs along the inner walls of the basket, and then flipping the basket over and using your fingers to even out the base as needed. With that done, all you'll need to do now is to cut out the basket handles from page 2 of your template and paste them together. Then, use your finger to bend the paper and help round out your basket handle before applying glue to the brown tabs at the bottom of the handle and pasting them to the inside of the basket. Just make sure to line up one of the sides of the handle with the basket seam, as this will further strengthen the structure and help preserve a rounded shape to your basket. Now, what's an Easter basket without some Easter grass? Boring. Although you can obviously buy some Easter grass at a store, if you already have some craft paper around your house, you can just save some money like I did and make your own. In my case, I happen to have some leftover Astro Bright paper, which I simply cut into thin strips using my wife's paper cutting device, but you can use scissors if that's what you have laying around. Next up, crumple up the paper and smush it around a bit. This will help give it a feeling of randomness, like getting a call from an old friend, or bumping your head on the way to work. My only real trick here is that once you put it into your basket, you'll probably want to take some scissors and trim any unsightly hedges. Now all that's left to do is to go shopping for candy whilst honoring the rule of thirds. If you're not familiar with the rule of thirds, it goes something like this. For whatever one candy I buy for someone else, say my child or loved one, I must remember to buy 2 more candies and put them aside for myself. Sweet. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more free printable craft projects in the future, then subscribe today to keep up to date with everything printable.